I'd like to show you how we assemble the cuff for a men's shirt. So we know the cuff is what's down at the bottom. I have my pattern and I have my interfacing. I have 2 sleeves and therefore 2 cuffs. So I have my 2 cuff patterns and my 2 interfacing. What I'm going to do, and what I had decided earlier, is that the outside of my pattern is going to be my wrong side. And so I am going to go ahead and switch this so that I have my interfacing. I then want to take my cuff and my interfacing and I'm going to fold them right sides together. So I have a sandwich of interfacing, my cuff fabric, my fashion fabric, and then my fashion fabric that I've folded over. I am then going to pin baste it so that it is nice and neat. I'm going to want to sew only the very ends of this, meaning just across here. Let me show you. It once again will be 5/8 of an inch. And I'm going to want to go ahead and lock stitch my sewing at the end where my fold is. The reason being that I'm not really going to have much going over or across that. I want to do that to my opposite end as well. Once again, making sure that my fabric is smooth and my interfacing is smooth. A pin is beneficial to keep things from sliding. And this time I'm going to go ahead and start with my folded edge. Directional sewing is not quite as important on a cuff as it is on something like a collar. And that is the first part of preparing your cuff for a men's shirt sleeve.